It's got some special technology, which just means you don't need ink. You don't need to know anymore. Hello and welcome to WBMTV. I'm Fiona and today I'm going to be talking to you about this really cute little Phomemo printer. Now this is a mini printer, as you can tell by the size of it, and it uses thermal technology to print, so you don't need any ink. It's $39.99, we got it from Amazon, and I've been playing with it for the last couple of weeks, and there's some really good little features about this printer. I really want it myself. It's nice and lightweight, it's not heavy, and it's really easy and simple to use with an app that you download on your phone. It comes with this little micro USB charging cable, which you've probably got 100 of in your drawer already, and in a cute little box with a manual guide to it as well. But once you download the app, you will see that it's really quite clear and simple. You can print templates that are already on there, you can add text to those. You can print photos, but be warned, this isn't a photo printer. There are others on the market that are of a higher price that are photo printers. This you can print in only in black and white, so you need to have a photo which has really good contrast to make that make sense and come out as a good photo. It does come with one roll of paper, but you can buy more paper for it as well, which is a relatively good price. So the printer itself is $39.99. The paper comes in at about £20 for 6 rolls. But you don't have to just stick with white paper. So what we've got loaded in here is like a white sticky label type paper, so you could stick it onto you or a book. But you can get gold, which would be great for Christmas if you want to make Christmas cards, and you can get clear as well, which might be fab for some journaling. So it's really easty to use. All you have to do is download the app. You connect the app to the printer. So all you do is you go to the app and then you go to the little printer icon at the top right-hand corner of the app. You connect it to it and then off you go. And the app is really easy to use. It's so simple. It's got so much on there for you already. It's got templates, you can use notes, you can scan, you can print pictures from this as well. So I have already taken a selfie of myself, of course, and it's now in there. So what I need to do is go to print images, pick the image that I want to print. You can crop that image if you want. You can adjust the lighting on that image as well. And it shows you in the grayscale, so you can get an idea as to what it's going to come out as when you actually print. Press print, and now I've got an image of myself, which I can keep forever. This printer would be great for maybe kids, teens that want to add to their little journals that they're doing. Maybe it's revision notes. Great for anybody that's into crafting. I like making cards, and it's nice to personalize them. You can print off names and things like that onto it as using it as well. I think it's great for everyone. I think it's the little pocket product that everybody needs. Thank you for watching my review on the Phomemo printer. Now, of course, we want you to like, rate, subscribe, all of that. Also, can you comment below if maybe you've already got this printer? What do you think of it? Or maybe there's something else out there that you want to know. Is it actually any good or not? And if you do, then just pop a little comment below. Thank you for watching.